Do you know about the most popular valuable items that were stolen from India eons ago? No, it wasn't just the Kohinoor diamond, but also sculptures, letters, and marbles. Everyone knows the history of India, but not everyone knows how much wealth we gave to this world. And with that, I don't only mean literature, but real wealth. Money, gold, and diamonds were looted by the British when they ruled India for nearly 200 years. So let's take a look at the 10 precious historical items which should be returned to India, and that too fast. At first is the Kohinoor diamond, which is the largest cut diamond across the globe. The origin of this diamond is Kollur mine, which is in the state named Andhra Pradesh. At the time of uncut, this diamond was 793 carats. Presently, this diamond is a 105.6 metric carat diamond with a weight of 21.6 grams. In the year 1850, the diamonds were shifted to the British reserves and later handed over to Queen Victoria. The Peacock throne was a renowned jewel throne. It is said that it was the seat of Mughal emperors who had vanquished North India. Earlier, this throne was in the Red Fort, Delhi. In the 17th century, this throne was especially made up by Emperor Shah Jahan. In the year 1739, this throne was taken away by Nadir Shah, a Persian king. In a battle with the British, the last king of Mysore, Tipu Sultan, lost his life. Since then, they took away the sword and ring of Tipu Sultan. Later, it was bought in an auction for Rs 1.57 crores by Vijay Mallya, because of which, in the year 2004, the sword arrived back in India. The sword came to India, but the ring was not. In the Devanagari script, the ring has Ram inscribed in it. The sculpture of Sultanganj Buddha is around 2 meters tall and the weight is around 500 kilograms. The sculpture of Buddha is one of the huge Indian metal statues. The sculpture was founded by E.B. Harris during railway construction in 1862. The current location of this sculpture is the Birmingham Museum. The Amravati balustrades are a stunning collection of 120 inscriptions and sculptures. These sculptures and inscriptions are made up of limestone carvings dated from 100 AD. In 1859, it was excavated by the British from Madras, and now these sculptures and inscriptions are put in place in the British Museum in London. A life-sized wooden tiger attacking a Caucasian figure which is in European clothes. The fascinating thing about this tiger is that there is an organ that is placed inside the tiger. There is a handle on one side, and when it is turned over, the organ begins to play. During this, the lifeless man howls and lifts its arm up and down. Not only Kohinoor, but also the Nasak diamond has been stolen from India. This diamond was initially found in the Trimbakeshwar temple in Nashik in the state of Maharashtra. From 1500 to 1817, the diamond remained in the temple. In the year 1818, in the Anglo-Maratha War, the British East India Company took this diamond and later traded it to British jewelers. The creator of this throne was a Muslim goldsmith named Hafiz Muhammad Multani. The Maharaja preferred to sit on the floor or on a chair only. This throne was used for state occasions only. As part of state possessions, the Britishers took this throne in the year 1849. This marble statue of the goddess was engraved in the year 1034 AD. This statue is the most valuable statue of Bhojshala temple in the state of Madhya Pradesh. After some time, this statue was lost, and in the year 1886, the statue was mystically found in the British Museum. In the year 1657, this cup was made for Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. This cup was made with inspirations from Iran, India, China, and Europe. This cup was later found in Victoria and Albert Museum in London. Don't you think it's time for us to get all the looted wealth back? As per Ministry of External Affairs, the financial value of all these valuables is around $45 trillion today. Do let me know your opinion in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up. If you're new on the channel, do hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications. See you in the next one.